In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the power level on the Samsung microwave. And the model number of this microwave is real easy, real simple. First thing you want to do is select the seconds you want to cook. Let's say 50 seconds. And select OK. And it's going to ask you to enter power level from 10 to 100. Let's say you want to select 50. Just hit 5 and I might select 50 for you. And hit start. That's it. That's all to it. Let's try this one more time here. So first thing you want to do is select the seconds. Let's say you want to do 30 seconds. Then hit OK. And it's going to ask for power level from 10 to 100. Let's say you want to do 30. So you hit 3 and it becomes 30. And hit start. That's it. That's all to it. Real easy, real simple. Another thing you can look at is on the side here, you have cook, reheat veggies, auto defrost, 1 pound, softened meat. Let's say you select cook, it's gonna ask you from item 1 to 4. You might ask where do you get the item 1 to 4? You open the microwave and on your side here, you can see all the information on the door panel. And 1 is beverage, 2 is chicken breast, 3 is frozen breakfast, 4 is frozen dinner. Let's say we select 1 for beverage. Like it's asking you, select 1 to 4. You select 1 and hit start. That's it. That's all to it. Real easy, real simple. And if you have any questions, any comments, please do leave it at the bottom of this content. Answer as much as I can. Hope this video helped. Bye now.